Normal programming has been interrupted due to a critical emergency. The following message is being transmitted by order of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the United States government. This is not a drill. Repeating, this is not a drill. A few weeks ago, deadly toxic waste was dumped in Missouri from an unknown source. This released a deadly chemical so rare and unknown that there is not a name for it. It began spreading around the rest of the United States at a rapid pace without warning. It has infected most of the air around the country and there have been 500,000 reported fatalities. If you get exposed to this chemical, you will face certain death within 30 seconds. Even people wearing heavy-duty suits and masks unknowingly had the chemical slip through the suits and masks and infect them. There is nothing that can be done. All hope has been lost to stop the spread of this chemical. Unfortunately, our glorious nation has come to an end. The nation has been sealed to protect the other nations across the world. Thank you for being a part of the nation. This broadcast will now sign off with the national anthem. God bless America.